Again, plates and patches early bird, break 3802. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 10 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. Saints up top. Sea Chickens at the bottom. 10 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tom Haggerty up top. Jory Worthen at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Saints didn't sort. They're at the top. There's your squads. Plates and patches bird. Here we go, guys. Good luck. You guys, just 4 bundles left on the site. 4 left.
First up, J. Jeff on the base.
Diamondbacks are big. On the Bowman Chrome, Padres are huge.
Next up, 11 out of 25, Sam Laporta.
Dodgers, Yankees, Orioles. The Giants, the Mariners are big in Bowman Chrome.
Jesus. 1 out of 10, Jake Haener.
That is nasty.
That's sick.
Tom Haggerty. That is sick. 180 corner. Nasty hit. That's a sick patch.
That's a beaut. That is sick. Nice box. B. John Robinson, 9 out of 50. That's a good box.
Ain't no doubt.
We ain't done yet.
Whew, whew. No, we're not. I see it now. Good grief. Tom Haggerty, have a break.
7 out of 35, Barry Sanders.
Sweet.
That is sweet. I like the backgrounds of these. Recap. Sam Laporta, 11 out of 25. J. Jeff on the base. Barry, 7 out of 35. Bijan Robinson, 9 out of 50. And 1 out of 10, Jake Haener. That's a sweet one. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Jump on the site. Take your spots.